Intuition suggests that the older a ruin, the more weathered its stones should be. You expect rounded edges, erosion, and the subtle wear of centuries. But then you encounter Puma Punku, an ancient site nestled high in the Bolivian Andes. Its stonework, built long before the Inca, looks like it was carved just yesterday. We're talking about precision that rivals modern machining found in a structure from the 6th century. These perfectly straight lines and sharp angles pose an enduring question to archaeologists and engineers alike. How did an ancient civilization achieve such impossible feats with tools we can only guess at? By the end of this video, you will understand why Puma Punku isn't just a ruin, but a profound puzzle carved in stone. High in the Bolivian Andes, near the famed site of Tiwanaku, lies Puma Punku. It is a 6th century T-shaped terraced platform mound, meticulously aligned and strategically placed. This monumental complex, a part of the greater Tiwanaku site, has earned its well-deserved designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine a vast man-made platform rising from the high-altitude landscape, designed with an intention we're still trying to fully grasp. The builders, a civilization predating the Inca by centuries, left behind an architectural legacy that defies easy explanation. What remains today is a testament to their extraordinary engineering skill and deep understanding of stone. However, its current state only deepens the enigma. Its intricate design suggests a purpose far grander than what its ruins now reveal, making it a compelling subject for study and wonder. This is not merely a collection of old rocks, it represents a pinnacle of ancient craftsmanship. Today, Puma Punku presents itself as a monumental structure largely in ruins, a collapsed colossus with huge blocks scattered across the landscape. Yet, even in its broken state, the individual blocks showcase absolutely incredible workmanship. Unlike many ancient sites where erosion has softened the edges, here you find stones with lines so sharp they appear newly cut. These aren't just rough-hewn boulders, they are finely crafted components, each telling a story of precise intention. One might initially assume simple destruction, but the sheer scale of the blocks, some weighing many tons, complicates this view significantly. It wasn't merely a building that fell, it was a highly engineered system that disassembled, or perhaps was disassembled. The craftsmanship on these collapsed pieces hints at a forgotten construction method that prioritized exactitude. Imagine a complex structure where every single piece was a work of art in itself, even if that art is now lying fragmented. But that's not even the best part. The most interesting is still ahead. But that's not even the best part. The most interesting is still ahead. The true wonder of Puma Punku lies in its almost unbelievable precision. We are talking about intricate details like eye-shaped interlocking blocks, designed to fit perfectly without mortar. The lines carved into these stones are perfectly straight, almost as if drawn with a modern ruler. Even more remarkable are the sharp internal 90-degree angles. These are cut into incredibly hard stones like granite and diorite. Achieving such an internal right angle in hard stone, without modern power tools, is extraordinarily challenging. It demands a level of control and accuracy that baffles contemporary stonemasons. Think about chiseling into a block of granite and maintaining a perfectly sharp, unchipped corner deep within the stone. Now imagine doing that thousands of times. The surfaces are often polished smooth, reflecting a dedication to finish that goes beyond mere functionality. This isn't just cutting stone, it's sculpting with mathematical exactitude. The cuts are so precise that some suggest they could only have been made with technology far more advanced than what we attribute to a 6th century civilization. It truly makes you question what primitive means. The ingenuity of Puma Punku extends beyond individual block precision. It encompasses the entire assembly method. These builders conceived a structure where blocks were designed to fit together seamlessly without a speck of mortar. They achieved this feat using precisely cut grooves, dados, and mortises. Each block was a custom-fit puzzle piece, specifically shaped to interlock with its neighbors. This sophisticated system created an incredibly stable and earthquake-resistant structure. Imagine the planning involved. Every single block had to be quarried, shaped, and then carved with exact measurements. Each piece also had to fit perfectly with adjacent components. This engineering feat suggests an advanced understanding of geometry, mechanics, and material science, all without blueprints in the modern sense. It wasn't just about cutting a straight line. It was about designing an entire building as a single cohesive unit. This level of architectural foresight is truly astonishing. But there's an even bigger question lurking about the very materials they chose. The types of stone used at Puma Punku add another layer to its mystery. The primary materials were andesite and diorite, both exceptionally hard and difficult to work. Andesite, for instance, is a fine-grained igneous rock, notorious for its resistance to carving. Diorite is even harder, often compared to granite in its density and durability. Contrast these materials with the commonly available tools of the era, which primarily consisted of copper and stone. Copper, while useful, is significantly softer than andesite or diorite. Stone tools, like hammerstones, could chip and abrade, but achieving such precise cuts and polished surfaces would be a monumental undertaking. This choice of exceptionally tough stone, combined with the refined craftsmanship, is what truly puzzles archaeologists. It poses the question, how were these materials worked with such finesse? Were there methods we haven't yet discovered? The sheer effort required to quarry, shape, and finish these hard stones suggests a mastery of forgotten techniques. It's like trying to carve a diamond with a butter knife, yet they somehow managed a masterpiece. The enduring mystery of Puma Punku reminds us that ancient ingenuity often surpasses our modern assumptions. While explanations involving abrasive sands, skilled labor, and even lost copper hardening techniques have been proposed, they still struggle to fully account for the scale, geometric complexity, and incredible precision observed. The colossal weight of some blocks, up to 131 tons, and the distance they were transported, over 60 miles for some materials, only deepens the logistical challenge. How did they quarry, move, and then perfectly place these behemoths? Puma Punku stands as a silent testament to a civilization whose understanding of engineering and stonework was arguably far more advanced than we often credit them with. It challenges our timelines, our understanding of ancient technology, and our very definition of what's possible. It truly is a marvel carved in stone, still whispering secrets. Try contemplating the sheer human effort and innovation behind these stones today.